Hellfire. Immerse yourself in the legendary world of Diablo, where demons lurk and heroes rise. Discover the rich storyline, relentless battles, and epic quests that await you. Video game. Dive into the dark dungeons of Diablo and experience the thrill of hack-and-slash action. Unleash devastating abilities, acquire powerful loot, and face off against diabolical bosses. Crossed swords. Choose from a diverse range of character classes, each with their unique playstyles and abilities. Will you wield the arcane powers of a sorceress, the brute strength of a barbarian, or the precision of an assassin? Globe. Explore vast and treacherous landscapes, from eerie crypts to desolate wastelands. Uncover hidden secrets, uncover ancient artifacts, and delve into the depths of Diablo's twisted realms. Collision. With its stunning visuals, spine-chilling sound effects, and immersive gameplay, Diablo is an unforgettable experience that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Join me in this epic journey through the realms of Diablo, as we embark on an adventure like no other. Don't miss out on the opportunity to witness the clash of good and evil in this masterpiece by Blizzard Entertainment.